In today's unpredictable world, being prepared for a grid-down scenario is more important than ever. Imagine a prolonged power outage, or even a societal collapse where electricity, running water, and modern conveniences are no longer accessible. What skills would you need to thrive, or at least survive under such circumstances? Let's explore 7 essential skills everyone should master to stay resilient when the grid fails. Firstly, water purification is crucial. In a grid-down scenario, municipal water systems may shut down or become contaminated. Without clean water, dehydration can set in quickly, and consuming tainted water can be dangerous. Simple methods like boiling water, using purification tablets, or investing in a portable water filter can keep you healthy. Always practice these techniques so you're prepared when it counts. Next, fire starting is a fundamental survival skill. Fire provides warmth, allows you to cook food, purifies water, and boosts morale. Stocking up on matches, lighters, a ferro rod, and waterproof tinder is a great start. Practicing building a fire in adverse conditions ensures you're ready for challenges, come rain or shine. Remember, a ferro rod can last thousands of strikes, making it invaluable when lighters and matches fail. Foraging comes into play when traditional food sources run dry. By identifying edible plants, berries, and nuts in your area, you can supplement your food supplies. However, foraging can be risky, with poisonous plants posing a real threat. Learning from reputable guidebooks and local experts minimizes this risk and boosts your self-reliance. Basic first aid knowledge is indispensable. In the absence of immediate medical help, minor injuries can escalate without proper care. A well-stocked first aid kit and basic skills like SEEP, wound dressing, and fracture splinting ensure you can manage emergencies. Taking a certified first aid course is a worthwhile investment in your safety. Navigation without GPS is another critical skill. If modern technology fails, knowing how to use a map and compass, or even celestial navigation, prevents you from becoming lost. Practicing these techniques enhances your ability to travel safely, whether you're searching for supplies or moving to safer grounds. Shelter building protects you from the elements, whether cold, heat, or rain. Temporary shelters, like lean-tos constructed from materials at hand, offer vital protection and comfort. Spending a night in a self-made shelter can build confidence in your survival abilities. Lastly, self-defense equips you to protect yourself and loved ones if law and order break down. Awareness of your surroundings is primary, while basic self-defense moves and appropriate tools can provide additional safety. The best defense, however, often lies in avoiding conflict and staying inconspicuous. Mastering these 7 skills is not just about surviving a grid-down scenario. It's about building confidence and resilience in the face of any crisis. As you begin this journey, remember that practice makes perfect. Start with one skill and progressively work through the rest, equipping yourself for whatever life throws your way. Stay safe, stay sharp, and keep prepping.